We're on a boat. Come to us to Madeline Island on Lake Superior. Hey guys, here we are, Bayfield, Wisconsin, and in moments we are going to be taking a sauna to Madeline Island. Big, beautiful island on Lake Superior, and this will be the first sauna that we have put on an island. We've boated them across and barged them across and built floating saunas all over the country. Today, the first one that will land and live on an island at a beautiful cabin for some great clients. You're going to see that process as we go, and I cannot wait to show you as we get on the ferry and head over. Today from Cedar and Stone onto an island. We'll see you soon. All right, we made it. We're on, we're ready to go. It fits. All right guys, here we are, we're on the ferry. So Madeline Island, here we come. We are riding the ferry that goes multiple times a day from Bayfield, Wisconsin. And we are the biggest thing on here right now. With a whole bunch of other cars, they have us in. It is so fun to be out here. So beautiful day on Lake Superior, lots of sun shining and ready to bring the sauna all the way over shortly. You're gonna see more soon. Here we go, sauna's leaving. Team's bringing it off the ferry and we are gonna be right behind them, heading onto Madeline Island now. So the hard part's done. Now we just gotta install it. We do this all the time. Off onto our client spot. Here we go. So here we are on Madeline Island. We came over the ferry, we've set it in place. Our ability to design ahead of time, to be light on the land, to bring the sauna and plan just enough ahead of time really creates an installation day, not a big project to handle. Our team's gonna do that for you. Our team's gonna work with you on all aspects of that. That's from the site prep, the things you gotta do ahead of time, the day of and making sure everybody gets there safely and set, and all the little fine-tuned details like wiping the windows down and making sure the rocks are in the stove, all the details like that, we really care a lot about. So if you're interested in that, talk to our team. This video today has truly been a moment of taking a sauna all the way from the mainland here to island time. I love the chance to be on Madeline Island and places like this where people retreat, where they slow down, where they take moments with their family and they invest in how can we be here and be more present. Today we got to spend time with one of the owners and talk and hear about her family and her 3 boys and how the desire for this space, I think, is true in so many people's sauna experience. It's the desire to be away from screens, to slow down and to be so present with the people that you're with. We're seeing that here in this space. We're seeing little boys come in here for the first time and get excited to spend time with mom and dad. And these are built for decades. And so these are not just one summer moment. These are gonna be the places where these little boys grow up in. And this one is right next to one of the world's best cold plunges, Lake Superior. The water does not get too warm here, and they're gonna run back and forth through the sauna as these little ones grow up. Super, super fun. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for following along. Thanks for being a part of the journey across the water today. We can't wait to see you on the next one.